What's up, guys? This is Brent with Western Equipment. Now, if you have been asking yourself, should I buy a lawn sweeper for my yard? We're going to talk about the lawn sweeper itself here. One we're using today is a John Deere brand. Now, there are multiple other brands out there, and most of them are going to be fairly similar, but we are going to show you in this video just how well this can work for you and be an alternative for a bagging system. Now, if you have a mower that it is just over expensive to get that bagging system, or maybe you just don't want to go through the hassle of taking that thing on and off, then a lawn sweeper may be the way to go for you. So the idea of a lawn sweeper is that it is used as an overall pickup system to go behind your mower, mainly thought to pick up clippings. But the one great thing about the lawn sweeper is that you are not running anything that's going under that lawn sweeper through your blades. So if you are wanting to pick up clippings, it's going to be great for that. But if you're also wanting to use this as a general yard cleanup, maybe you're looking to pick up leaves, maybe you're looking to pick up sticks, trash, other debris, and things that get into your yard, this could be a great option for you. And the nice thing is this is just going to be a trailer style option. So what you're going to have on these lawn sweepers normally is going to be a clevis style hookup like the one you see here, and they normally are going to be adjustable, where they're going to have the different settings up and down on this, so you can make sure and set this to the height of your mower. That's the other great thing about a lawn sweeper, is that it's going to be universal, where we can go back and forth between different mowers if we have them, or maybe even use them on a golf cart or a four-wheeler, whatever you may have lying around that you need to use to clean up your yard. Now, also what you're going to have most of the time is an adjustable height. So right here we do have this lever where we can change those different heights. What this is going to do is lower those brushes either up or down to be able to get that to the height of your grass or of the surface that you are sweeping off. Then usually, like we have right here, we're going to have this nice covering here. Back behind that, you are going to have a series of brushes right here on this machine. Now, nice thing too about the lawn sweeper is that over time, of course, we know that using these brushes, they are going to start to wear out, and those are going to be able to be easily replaceable. You just have to get in touch with the manufacturer of that lawn sweeper, get those ordered, and then you have that mechanism as long as you take care of it. Then most of the time what we're going to have here is a large hopper like this here. A lot of times they will come with a rope handle like this one here, and these are going to be used for if you have a system set up to where this is going to be a lot closer to your mower, then you can use this from the seat to be able to dump the hopper. Now, these are going to be on a pivot system to where you can simply raise this up, dump that grass out once you're done, and then you can go right back in to picking up whatever material it is. Now, some of the features here also on this John Deere is that you are going to have this mesh screen that comes over, runs all the way over the top to be able to act as a protectant to keep that material from flying out if you're doing this on super windy days. And then also you are going to have this collapsible back that is also removable, making it a whole lot easier to store this machine when you're done with it. Now, the one downfall to these machines sometimes is that whenever you order them, get them in, there is going to be some assembly required. But if you do order a John Deere one, don't worry, I got you covered. I have a video on putting this exact one together over on my 24/7 parts channel, so make sure to go check that out. Now, one of the big negatives about bagging systems as opposed to the lawn sweeper is that if we had mowed the day before, or if we need to mow whenever it's wet just a little bit, it's going to be very hard to do that with a bagging system, as we know that material has to make it from the deck up a chute and into those bags, and what you're going to get is a lot of clumping and a lot of clogging up, which is going to cause that bagging system just to not function correctly. So on a day like today, we had an inch of rain this morning. We are going to still be able to pick up the clippings that we made yesterday whenever we cut this whole lawn, and this is also going to show you just how well one of these machines works, because if we are able to pick up wet, damp clippings that are down in the grass, you can only imagine how well it's going to do on dry clippings. So I'm going to go ahead and hop on the mower here, turn this thing on, start to go, and show you just how well this machine is going to pick up those clippings. Now, what you're going to be looking for is the clipping shooting up from the housing going back into the back of this chute. So I am going to go ahead and get started here. So here's going to be a good example of a section here that's got quite a bit of clippings that have dried out on top. Let's go ahead and drive over those now and see what that looks like when we pick those up. Now, here's going to be a pretty good representation. Over here, you can see our tracks that go all the way up right there where we had gone across and picked those clippings up. And then here is where we haven't. So I'd say it's doing a pretty fair job from here to there. Now, just so you know that I am not messing around, these clippings are very wet. Let's go ahead and take a look here at our clippings. Now, I got to be careful because there is stickers in some of this, grass burrs as some of you may call, but you can see all the moisture right up here on the backing that we're getting off of this grass. The thing about these lawn sweepers is that they are not going to be perfect. Neither is a bagger system whenever you're talking about picking up clippings. You're still going to have those stubborn ones that are too big, that just don't want to go up in there, and you are going to have some that are going to fly out even if you do have that mesh screen over the top. So are they going to be flawless? No. Are they going to get a lot of the material on top of the grass that you do not want sitting there to look brown and nasty on top of your beautiful green grass? Yes, that is going to be the case. So let's go ahead and check out what we've got here in the hopper, and that is going to be a significant amount of grass. Now, the great thing is too, like I talked about before, once you are done and ready to dump your clippings, it's going to be as simple as either using your pull rope system or coming back here to the back and dumping it by hand. And nice thing, you can find yourself a nice pile here, make yourself a compost pile. Maybe you're going to reuse these clippings for something else. You can keep them nice, easy together and in that pile to use for whatever purpose you have for them. So guys, I hope this video helped you out. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, we just ask you to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Also guys, if you're looking for any John Deere parts at all, make sure to check us out at 247parts.com. And as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Hey guys, make sure to check out this cool video and this one. Buy your parts right up here and subscribe right here.